For better picture quality, adjust tracking control on your VCR.
When clouds hide the sun on a rainy day,
I dream of my sandbox and I want to play.
it's my turf, it's where I wanna be. My friends are there to play with me.
Let's go out and play all day. Let's go out and play. Come on over, you can bring your toys. School is out, so we can make some noise. Let's go out and play all day. Let's go out and play. I can build you a road to the stars. We can leave right away. Hey, a visit to Venus and Mars if you say. Hey, hey.
It's a world of make-believe,
Where I can wrap myself in the dreams I weave. Let's go out and play all day. Let's go out and play. Let's go out and play all day. Let's go out and play. Let's go out and play all day. Let's go out and play.
Have you ever wondered how the roads we drive on every day are built? When we pass construction workers, do we know what they're doing? Well, it takes a lot of hard work and heavy machinery to construct highways. So put on your hard hat and join the team on the construction site. When building a new road, the engineers design it so that its route does not have many ups and downs. The natural hills and dales of the countryside are either avoided by routing the new road around them, or some of the hills are dug away and the hollows filled in. All this earth moving requires very big and powerful machinery. Amongst all the heavy machinery that you will see on every road construction site, you will find bulldozers. These machines are among the first on the site and push dirt and clear the path for the new roadway. This small bulldozer is starting to clear a path for a new road. A bulldozer has a big blade on the front, which is used to scrape and push the dirt. A bulldozer has tracks instead of wheels. These tracks give the bulldozer much better traction in the dirt. The driver steers by controlling the speed of each of the tracks, so that if he wants to turn to the right, he slows the track on the right side of the machine. The driver has to be careful not to remove too much dirt when leveling the ground with the big front blade. Bulldozers come in all sizes and are designed to handle the variety of ground clearing tasks involved in road building. For bigger construction jobs, larger bulldozers are used. With a bigger front blade, the bulldozer requires a more powerful engine, so that more dirt can be scraped and moved at one time. After the bulldozers have completed their job, the motor grader takes over. Unlike the bulldozer, which pushes dirt forward, this machine pushes dirt to the side. The motor grader has a blade which is mounted underneath. The operator has to steer the grader and operate the blade at the same time. Juggling all the levers and guiding the machine is a skilled job. The operator has to carefully scrape just enough of the dirt to ensure that the road is level and the final surface is smooth. After the bulldozers have scraped up dirt, the backhoe loads up the dump trucks. Keep your hard hat on as we work construction. On many road construction jobs, large dump trucks are used to haul huge amounts of dirt and rocks from one part of the site to another as part of the leveling process. The big fat tires on the trucks help prevent the heavy load from causing the truck to sink into the mud or soft ground on the construction site. To fill the waiting dump trucks, a machine called a backhoe is used. These powerful dump trucks move back and forth, loading and unloading dirt as the path of the road develops. After emptying the dumper, the driver returns and joins the procession of dump trucks waiting to be filled by the backhoe. The huge bucket can shovel up large amounts of dirt, filling the dump truck with just a few scoops. mountain stands in the way of a new road, there's only one way to get through. Once the mountain is blasted away, there are piles of rock and stone to be cleared away. The giant dump trucks bring the rocks to a site where a huge stone crusher has been brought into operation. Huge and powerful payloader machines load the big rocks into the crushing machine. This rock is broken down into smaller stones and is used as part of the bed of the new highway. When the rock emerges as crushed stone at the other end, the payloaders are waiting to stack it in piles for later use in the construction of the new road. Most new roads have drains and water pipes buried beneath them. When placing water pipes beneath a new road, the backhoe machine with a narrower bucket is used to dig a trench. Once the trench is dug, the pipes are laid in and joined up. A cement truck brings concrete to pour around the base of a fire hydrant, sealing and protecting the water pipes beneath the new road. Finally, after all the pipes are laid into the trench, they are covered with a protective layer of sand and dirt, and the trench is filled in. When a new road is replacing an old one, big excavators like this one are used to clear away the old roadway. The machine's powerful jaws can tear apart concrete and even steel structures. The operator steadily gnaws away at the old concrete road structure, clearing it away and exposing the I-beams, which will be retained as part of the new, wider bridge. Once the highway is completed, the construction worker's job is done. They know how important it is to work safely on a construction site. And you should never go near construction equipment or machinery without a grown-up.
When clouds hide the sun on a rainy day,
I dream of my sandbox and I want to play.
it's my turf, it's where